Okay, so sorry for the shitty audio and maybe video quality. I don't know. I'm filming this on my phone because I forgot my big camera at home. But right now I'm on my way to the mall so I can get this big picture printed because that's like the main freaking concept. Basically, y'all know I want to. Basically, I'm coming out. I'm coming out to my mom. Wow, that's crazy. I haven't done this. Wow. It's like obvious, like I know she'll be okay with it, obviously, but like I want to do it in like a special kind of way because I feel like that would be really cool. So I want to do that, and I have to tell her that I'm like a makeup artist, and I want a picture of myself. So I'm getting a picture of my makeup printed. We have to do that, and I have to be at work at 5. It's 3:30 right now, so we have to fly. I have to get something to eat before work, so I'm not freaking starving. So let's go. We're gonna go to the mall. We're gonna get this big picture of me printed. We're gonna do this one. And we're gonna get that printed, and then we're gonna go get food, and then we're gonna go home. I don't know. I'll see y'all when I get the picture. Okay, so it is the next day, obviously. Not obviously. I don't know. Okay, so, wow. What am I even saying? Okay, so it's the next day. It's Mother's Day. And we already had the day. It's around 5 o'clock. My mom just went because she wants to go buy some more flowers to plant. So she went and did that. So I'm here and I'm like setting up, and I don't know, I'm not really nervous. I'm just kind of like, I want to get it over with. So I'm waiting for her to get home, and then I'm going to sit her down and be like, "Hey girl, guess what?" And show her the little picture, and yeah, that's it. Y'all will see it when it happens. Just thought I'd update you. So yeah, wish me luck. See you probably when I'm telling my mom. So yeah, see y'all then. Okay. So you know how everybody was talking about my Instagram?
You made a big
Earlier.
portrait.
Well, I've never shown you, like... I've never shown you.
That,
I don't know. Well, I've never showed you, like, what I could do. Have you seen it?
yeah, I looked at a little bit what I could see.
Are you freaking...
After you went on BuzzFeed and they had your Instagram.
Well, that was
thing
months
on.
ago. Have you seen it recently?
No.
Okay. Well, I went and got this.
A poster.
Of something.
I've seen that, I thought, before.
Well, this is brand new.
Okay, so I didn't see it.
No. So that's that.
Where'd you get that done?
The mall.
Is it for me?
Well, I figured you wouldn't want it up in the living room, so I thought I'd get it for my room, but it's technically for you, because I've never shown you
I like it.
what I
today.
can do.
So I can see that it's new.
Well, yeah, this is what I do.
Your eyes look very green in this.
Yep.
This is what I saw on Instagram with different stuff.
This is recent. Well, while we're at it, I may as well just tell you that I'm gay. And it's kind of obvious, but...
It is. It's not
But
obvious.
it's something we needed to just get over with.
You do, not me.
Yeah,
I already
Because
came
I
to
mean-
terms with it.
I did too months ago, but I just thought...
Well, I just have to wait for you to say something. I can't come on.
I know,
because
because I know the family talks about it.
Well, what if I said
Because y'all
something and I
speak.
was wrong?
Well, I know, because I know, like, a long time ago, Kelly was like, oh, Jake's got his nails done, but then I heard her say, oh, I shouldn't talk about that or something. I don't know.
I don't think she ever said that.
No, that was her. But, like, because it wasn't something to talk about. But, yeah, so, yeah.
But I still love you just the same.
I knew you
Doesn't
would.
change anything.
I knew it.
It just.
So that's, yeah.
I'm glad you said that because it's like that thing nobody wants to talk about that
I
needs
know,
to be
'cause
talked about.
I just had to say it.
Right out
In
loud.
my little airy self,
It's hard to say.
It's weird.
It's hard, I think.
Yeah. Well, to your mother.
Well, right, but I mean, I don't know.
I'm glad neither of us cried, because we're not emotional.
Why would I cry?
I don't know if people usually do.
I would the only thing I have, because I've thought about this for a long time.
Oh my god.
Jake, I'm your mother. I probably knew before you knew.
I know when I played with Barbies when I was like 4.
No, I didn't think then, because you never know. Any kid will play with anything. But, just that life is going to be harder for you. Because people are very prejudiced against it.
It's 2018.
There's still some rednecks who are.
I know.
And that's what I don't like.
Arguing. I don't care.
Good.
So yeah, that's all I had to say.
That's okay with me. Good, I'm glad you said it.
So now we can
just go like we always
go about our lives.
Because nothing's different, really.
I know.
Do you have a boyfriend or anything?
No.
Okay.
No, I don't.
It's just as awkward as talking about sex with your
kids. I know. Okay.
That's all. It's always awkward, regardless.
That is end of conversation.
Okay.
Glad we
I love you, buddy.
Chit-chatted.
And I'm glad you finally told me.
Okay.
Because I've been waiting for you to tell me.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, I figured this is what I want to do, so I have to tell you before I move to Florida, and this is like a part of that. So
it's better for you to. Yeah. Well, I already knew. I needed you to tell me, and I couldn't ask. Like sometimes I would say, "Anything you want to talk about?"
Ew.
Like now,
Ew.
when you're mad. And I thought, like, or when you're sad or upset, and I'll say, anything you want to talk about?
It wasn't ever that. Like, I'm not ashamed of it.
No,
or
but I mean, it was like opening
you know
the door
I don't care
for
what
you.
people think.
No.
Yep. See, mainly this is what I wanted to tell you.
What, that you do this kind of stuff?
Yep.
I already saw some other stuff like this. So I knew that. But I like that. And maybe I will keep it. Wouldn't put it in the living room.
Well, I want it. I know where I want it in my room, so I kind of bought it for myself. So yeah.
I like it.
That's that.
Don't ever be afraid to tell me something.
Well, I wasn't. Okay. So yeah. Okay, okay, wow. Okay, so I still don't have any makeup on at all because I don't know, I wanted to keep this, like, authentic and, like, real. I didn't want to, like, have a full beat on. I don't know. Okay, let's be real. I'm just lazy. I didn't want to do my makeup. But anyway, yeah, that was that. That was my little story. I wanted to do it special because I knew she would be cool with it, so I wanted to do it kind of in a really special way. So I did it on Mother's Day, and it was kind of like my Mother's Day gift to my mom. Basically, that's that. It's just something that I had to get done and get over with because I knew, like, I knew my family knew, but, like, it's something that I had to just say and clear the air, and I'm glad I did because it's, I don't know, it's done with, and I don't have to think about it anymore. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I make kind of, I make okay videos, I think. I don't know. Just subscribe because I thought this was kind of cute to do, and yeah. But yeah, that was that, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.